Maya's budget was perfect on Monday. By Friday, three completely normal expenses had taken $147 from her grocery money. This is budget basis, where simple rules protect the paycheck you actually have, not the imaginary month where nothing unexpected happens. Rent had a line. Utilities had a line. Groceries, gas, and savings all had a line. Every dollar looked assigned, and Maya felt ready. Then the school sent home a $38 field trip form. It was not monthly, but saying no would mean her daughter stayed behind. 2 days later, a prescription refill cost $64. It was necessary, ordinary, and missing from the budget for the same reason. Then came a $45 birthday gift. 38 plus 64 plus 45 made $147, and the grocery category paid for all of it. Here is the repair. Look back 90 days. Total the irregular everyday cost your fixed categories missed, then divide that total by the paychecks in those 90 days. Maya found $300 of school costs, copays, small gifts, and little household surprises. Across 6 paychecks, her flexible category needed $50 per paycheck. Call it Life Happens, Flex, or simply Other. The name does not matter. Its job is to catch normal irregular costs before they raid groceries. A small school fee, a prescription copay, or a modest gift can belong here when it is real, irregular, and likely to happen again. Rent does not belong here. A known annual insurance bill needs its own sinking fund. Random impulse shopping is not an emergency, wearing a fake mustache. One flexible category is a shock absorber, not a permission slip. Give it a number based on your history and stop when that number is gone. If $50 per paycheck is impossible, start with 10. A small, honest buffer protects more than a perfect category funded with imaginary money. Each time the category catches something, write down what it was. After a month, you will know whether the amount is too small, too large, or hiding a real recurring bill. If the same cost appears again and again, promote it into its own category. The flexible line is where patterns reveal themselves, not where patterns disappear forever. When money remains at month's end, keep a small cushion or move the extra to your emergency fund. Decide the rule before the balance starts feeling spendable. The next month, another school form arrived. This time Maya paid it from the flexible category without touching groceries, rent, or savings. That did not make the expense free. It made the consequence smaller. Dinner stayed in the cart because the budget finally included real life. Before using the category, ask 3 questions. Is this necessary? Is it irregular? Would it otherwise steal from an essential category? 3 yes means it probably fits. If the answer is no, pause. The flexible category should protect the plan from ordinary friction, not quietly become a second spending account. Review the number once a month, not after every surprise. One expensive week is data, but it is not permission to rebuild the whole budget in a panic. A budget fails when it assumes life will behave like a spreadsheet. The missing category is not waste. It is the space between fixed bills and real life. Budget basis gives you one practical money rule at a time, with real numbers and no shame. So your next paycheck has fewer places to disappear. Build the budget for the month you actually live. Protect the groceries, protect the essentials, and let one honest, flexible category absorb the rest.